product from Jolly, which is the pie filling. Kasi as we know, konti lang sa market natin ang may pie and strawberry filling, especially if someone would want to do a lot of make.
Again, the secret is fighting with the fresh ingredients and then combining with again the aromatics and then slow cooking and then and then the clean up is all about tradition in the Chinese and then good and then the choice and not keeping up with so good. That's where I started cooking. The concept nila nasa loob nila is
preparing for the dish. This is for
Kasi na may konso, white fish.
Ano pala lang, meron din ba?
Hindi picture. Possible naman.
Iyak. Huwag yung nag-iyak yan. Anong hinahanap yung ano mo?
Actually, puro baking.
baking material.
Sir, may